Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. That's essential. First, make sure your LG TV runs WebOS and supports screen share. This is why the TV menu matters. Next, connect the TV and your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi band. Mixing bands can block discovery. Once done, open the TV's screen share app or Miracast entry so it's actively waiting for a connection. This immediate readiness speeds pairing and prevents confused devices from timing out. Now you'll initiate the cast from your source device. On Android, use Cast in Quick Settings. On Windows, press Win+K or Open Connect Project. On other devices, use the Miracast option. Select the LG TV by name, then make sure you accept any pairing or permission prompt on the TV so both ends trust each other. If a PIN is displayed, type it into your phone or laptop. This secures the link. Once connected, you'll see the screen mirrored and audio routed to the TV. Finish by optimizing the experience. Change your source device's resolution and orientation so the TV displays properly, and make sure sound is set to the TV. If you notice lag or stutter, stop casting and repair. Sometimes a quick restart of the TV or router clears network congestion. If the TV never shows up, toggle Wi-Fi on both devices, verify Miracast is supported, or temporarily plug the TV into Ethernet. Wired networks reduce discovery and latency problems. This single troubleshooting tip solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.